In the context of AI development, regulatory frameworks face challenges in adapting to algorithmic changes and biases. The FDA has introduced guidelines for a potential predetermined change control plan to address this. This paper analyzes the frequency and nature of updates in FDA-approved AI medical devices, finding that less than 2% of devices report updates through retraining on new data, while nearly a quarter report updates in the form of new functionality and marketing claims. An illustrative case study on pneumothorax detection models shows that retraining on site-specific data can mitigate performance drops but also leads to significant degradation on the original site, challenging the one-model-fits-all regulatory approach. The study's findings underscore the need for a more nuanced understanding of AI adaptation and its implications for regulatory policies, highlighting the importance of ongoing monitoring and evaluation of AI models in real-world settings. The methodology involves a systematic approach to organize and group FDA-approved AI medical devices by their updates, using a combination of automated and manual methods. The results show that devices are updated relatively infrequently, with model retraining updates occurring at a rate of around 1.4% per year. This study investigates the complexities of device updates and their implications for regulatory oversight in the realm of AI adaptation. An analysis of 416 unique devices reveals that only 6 updates involve retraining the model with new data, highlighting a significant gap in the use of this critical process. The study explores various update subtypes, including the addition of new prediction tasks, changes to input signals, model designs, and target populations, citing examples such as the fracture detect device expanding its capabilities and mammography products processing digital breast tomosynthesis scans. A case study on retraining pneumothorax AI models on other sites demonstrates that retraining improves external site performance but degrades performance on originally trained sites, underscoring the need for careful consideration of the implications of retraining and evaluation of device performance across multiple sites. The findings suggest that the FDA should require more detailed information about device updates, including the type, intended purpose, and impact on device performance across different clinical sites. The FDA has cleared over 400 AI/ML devices, with a median update interval of 17 months, mostly involving additional marketing or functionality claims. A case study on pneumothorax AI algorithms illustrates the trade-offs associated with AI adaptation, as retraining can improve model performance on new data but may degrade it on original data. The FDA's proposed draft guidance may alleviate some regulatory hurdles, but developers still need to complete rigorous evaluation and documentation of algorithm changes. Future regulatory guidelines should consider fine-tuning schemes and require detailed descriptions of training data, enabling consumers and users to make informed decisions about the impacts of model updates. The research paper emphasizes the importance of regulating AI adaptation in healthcare to ensure transparency and accessibility of data used for model development and updates. It highlights the need for regulatory bodies to keep pace with the technical benefits of adaptive learning systems while addressing safety and efficacy concerns. The authors stress the significance of patient demographics, hospital locations, disease subtypes, and healthcare settings as important covariates influencing model performance. They also emphasize the importance of extending these trends and challenges to other AI-transformed industries, such as transportation and law. The paper references various studies and guidelines from regulatory bodies like the FDA and the European Union, demonstrating the need for a system view to regulate AI, machine learning-based software as a medical device.